Here are 3 simple sentences to help you understand all AI systems that you will possibly encounter. Sentence 1. AI learns from examples instead of followed rules. Your tax software has explicit rules baked in. If the condition is true, do that. Every calculation follows a predetermined path. AI doesn't have that rule book. Instead, it's shown thousands of professional memos, millions of business examples. From those examples, the model figures out what the normal looks like, what patterns shows up consistently, what structure tends to work over time. So you're not giving it instructions, you're exposing it to the world and let it figure out what fits. That's the fundamental shift. No one programmed AI before that to write like a tax professional. It figured out on its own. It absorbed the pattern by seeing enough examples of how thousands of tax professionals write. Sentence 2. It finds patterns in data and then predicts that outcome. Every core AI model does the same thing. It makes predictions based on the patterns it has learned. What word will probably come after this sentence? What tone matches this type of client communication? What structure fits this kind of analysis? So the system is constantly asking, based on everything that I've seen, what is the most likely answer here? This pattern matching is why AI is so good at these unstructured and flexible work. But here's the catch. Patterns are not guaranteed. AI is only giving you the predictions based on what it has seen before. The third sentence. It's really good at this, but it can't explain why. Here's what catches people off guard. AI can produce remarkably good outputs, but it can't actually show the reasoning behind them. It can justify an answer, it can make it sound logical, but the internal mechanism is thousands and millions of numerical weights adjusting across a neural network. This is why AI seems simultaneously really capable, but also super opaque. So technically, it doesn't know the tax principles like you do. It only recognizes correlations between the patterns. So when you ask it to explain in a follow-up question, it is only making a prediction on what it thinks a good explanation would look like to that question, not actually revealing the thought process behind that. Hopefully, these 3 sentences answer some of the confusion you have about AI. They can help you evaluate any new AI, their features, or any tool you might be using. So once you see that it is merely a pattern recognizing machine underneath, you could actually use it more strategically and know where its limits are.